Hello and welcome to Geordie Leather. This is a brand new channel for people like you who'd like to learn about leatherwork. If you're wanting just to make simple items like key rings, wallets, purses, brilliant. We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to start off with the very basics, talking about leather. Then we'll show you how to make patterns, which make it easier to reproduce items repeatedly. We'll go on to talk about the basic tools you need, and then we look at things like cutting leather, the different techniques and tools for doing that. We will look at dyeing leather, which is a fascinating area, allowing you to create different textures and colorations of leather. And then we'll go on to edge finishing, which is making the edges of leather look pretty. We'll focus on burnishing, and then we'll go on to the different types of finishes you can apply to leather to protect it. We'll cover stitching in quite some detail because that's a big part of leather work. We'll look at saddle stitching, cross stitching, running stitching, whip stitching and baseball stitching. We look at hardware, all the different types of metalwork that's generally attached to leather, such as rivets, snap fasteners, eyelets, buckles, studs and zips. We look at skiving leather, we look at carving leather, then we go on to looking stamping, hot foil stamping. We'll move into wet moulding, which is a fascinating part of leather work, and we'll go on to embossing, punching, lacing, braiding, and then finally taking care of your tools and sharpening them. So it's a very comprehensive tutorial. It'll be spread across approximately 30 videos. So, like I say, we start off with the basics and then we move on step by step. Each video is about less than 10 minutes, so it's not a big deal to watch. So if you're interested, welcome to the course and I hope you enjoy it. Hi, it's me again. I forgot to mention, we'll be giving away a free PDF for each of the items we create during this tutorial. So that PDF is free for subscribers. So to get it, you must subscribe. So click the button down there to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, which means you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. So the pattern is free for the first 3 days, after which there'll be a small fee to download it. So if you want the free patterns, make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell icon.